Hello, everyone. Good afternoon from Riga. So today we'll be doing this webinar, and that's just going to be more theory rather than technical analysis. I was planning to do technical analysis today. However, I think that maybe we can do it some other time. I just want to give you some tips in order for you to become a profitable trader. Things you need to stop doing. Actually, there's a lot of stuff which you need to stop doing, but this the three basic stuff which I will tell you right now. Those are the best which you need to tweak if you are like kind of struggling in terms of psychologies. Then these are the stuff which you need to tweak in order for you to become profitable. You can see it on the subject there. 3 things you should stop doing as a trader. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first, this is the number one which you need as a trader. You need to stop doing. And if you have any question why I'm doing this topic, if you have any question, simply type it at the right hand corner on your screen there, the chat box, and I will answer your question as soon as possible. If you want me to take a look at any currency pair, why this webinar is going on, and if it's during the duration of my time limit, I will take a look at the currency pair and I will tell you my opinion, what I think will happen. If you have any currency pair, let me know too. So let's get started with 3 things which you need to stop doing as a trader. The number one thing which you need to stop doing as a trader is stop listening to others. This is the number one which you need to do. That's the number one thing which you need to do. You need to stop listening to others. Why? Because, okay, let me just take random currency pair right now. You open your chart in the morning, depend on when you usually do your technical analysis, maybe in the weekly, Monday, Tuesday, depend on you. But to me, every day I open the chart and I do my technical analysis every blessed day. So, okay, just imagine you open the chart, maybe Euro, USD, JPY. You already mark your support level. You mark your resistance level. That is, you finish doing your technical analysis, right? So you are looking at 2 levels. Said, okay, right now the price is kind of consolidating within a very small range. Yeah, this range. The price is consolidating this range, and your bias is, since this price is kind of a bullish move and a bullish flag patterns. You can see this is a bullish flag patterns that you are looking for a buy. I'm just giving you example that you're looking for a buy, right? So you finish doing your technical analysis. You are totally optimistic that you are looking for a buy. You don't want to sell. That you want to look for a buy above this level, or maybe look for a sell below this level in order for you to target this region, this zone, or somewhere this region that you want to look for a sell in order for you to target that zone, right? You finish doing your technical analysis. Then maybe you come across someone, or you come across something on Instagram or so, and they'll tell you that, okay, I will say signal. You got some signal, and the signal is, you know what? You need to sell. USD is a sell. USD JPY is a sell at this moment. USD JPY is a sell at this moment. You can sell right now. You already finished doing your technical analysis. You already know that this is a waiting game, that you are waiting to buy above the resistance level, or you are waiting to sell below the support level. That is what your initial strategy was in the morning, or while you were waiting. Then you come across those signal group or something like that. Hey, this is a sell, this is a buy. You need to sell now, or you need to buy now. So what you do? You said, okay, somebody said, hey, I should sell. The price is even close to support. I want to sell. And you sell, boom. And when you sell, the price reverse, and immediately you lost. The reason why? Because you listen to what other people were saying. That was the reason why you lost the money. So you need to stop listening to others. It's very important. This is very important. You need to stop listening to others. Stick to your technical analysis. Believe in yourself and know that what you predict your prediction is going to work. Give or take, it's going to work. So that is the reason why you need to believe in yourself and believe in your technical analysis. That is the number one. That is what? Stop listening to others. I will write it here. Text. And that is the number one. The number two, it is stop what's it called, changing your strategy. That's the number two. So this is the number one. I will make it to be bold, wide, yeah, and dark. So this is the number one. You need to stop listening to others. And the number two, okay, the number two is going to be, I'll just write it. I was trying to, yeah, this is the number two. Stops changing strategy. Why I said that this number two is very important for you guys. This is very important. Stops changing your strategy. Why is it very important? Because there's a saying. If you have a winning strategy, right, you need to stick to that winning strategy. The winning strategy maybe is 80% of the time that you have a winning, the winning rate is 80%, or maybe the winning rate is 70% or 60%. You have to stick to your strategy, right? Don't stop jumping from one strategy to the other. If you are someone that, to me, I believe in the strategy which I usually focus on and which I love focusing on, it is what they call breakout strategy, because I've already done the back test on breakout strategy and I see that it's working all the time. The breakout strategy is working all the time based on price action. And the breakout strategy is always working. So I stick to my strategy, which is the breakout strategy. However, like October, that was a very difficult month for a lot of people. If you are one of them, you are not alone. There's a lot of guys that were struggling in October, which is last month. So just imagine your strategy was not 100% working in October, and you say, oh, this my breakout strategy is not working, I need to change it. Maybe I need to start using Ichimoku indicators, or I need to start adding a lot of moving average, or you need to change from price action. You want to start looking at maybe some other technical analysis. You are jumping from A to B, B to C. So you are kind of jack of all trade, master of none. In other words, you know a lot of strategy, but you are not perfect in particular strategy. Go and look. This is kind of a it's not a challenge, but this is a task. Look for any successful trader and ask them what is their strategy. They will tell you they have been using one particular strategy for a very long time. So you need to stop changing your strategy here and there. If you have particular strategy that has been working for you for some months, maybe in a few weeks is not working for you, you don't need to start changing that. Hey, you know what, this my strategy is not working anymore, so I need to go and start learning Wyckoff theory, or I need to start learning the moving average crossover, or I need to start using my B divergence or so. you need to stick to your strategy, the one which you know best. One or two strategies, okay. For me, I only use breaker strategy and it's working very good. And for the breaker strategy, not all pairs that the breaker strategy is working. So because if you ask me, I did back test on more or less major currency 5 or 6 currency pairs, and I discovered that my breaker strategy is working on some currency, is not working on some currency, like USD, British pound USD. It was working, but yeah, it was working on British pound USD. However, there's a lot of momentum when the price break a resistant level. Sometimes it just run and go to the other resistant level. The same thing with GJ. When there's a breakout, it goes to the other zone directly. So I adjust my mindset, like, okay, if my strategy is based on 1 hour time frame and GJ is always when GJ break out, it goes to the other zone, what should I do? I decided, you know what, when GJ break out on the 30 minutes time frame, I just need to make I just need a week. Let out the week up or week down, then I take the direction where the price broke out to. So that is my strategy which I developed on. Okay, it's still the same breaker strategy, but if I'm sticking to 1 hour time frame on Aussie JPY and on the GBP JPY, I will stick to what's it called, the 30 minutes time frame, because okay, the 30 minutes time frame, the price already break and it's still close to that region. So I changed my strategy, still based on the breaker strategy, but on some pairs different time frame, like GJ GU is different time frame, but Aussie JPY is totally different time frame. It's 1 hour time frame, or CAD JPY is 1 hour time frame. The reason why it is, for those GJ and GU always have high volume. So sometimes on the 1 hour breakout, it might just go to the other zone and that is it. So that is the reason why I changed it. So you need to 100% stop going from one strategy to the other also, because at the end of the day, you will not know any of the other strategy. And finally, if you want to be successful in trading, you need to stop comparing yourself to others. You need to stop comparing yourself to others if you want to be successful in trading. This is very important. Stop comparing yourself to others. It is very important, because if you stop comparing yourself to others, you'll be successful in the long term. Don't look at like on Instagram, hey, one person on Instagram is making a lot of money. Oh, look at it, he's using 5 lots in per trade, or using 10 lots for per trade. That hey, you want to be like that person, you want to use 5 lot, 10 lot, and maybe your account balance is kind of $1,000 or even $500, but you want to use 1 lot or 2 lots or 5 lots to start trading in order for you to have more profit. So you need to stop comparing yourself to others. And in trading, I will tell you this: in trading, it's not how far, but it's how well. Slow and steady in trading always win the race. Progress. At the end of the day, you will become a profitable trader, profitable independent trader. So that is those 3 things which you need to stop doing. Stop listening to others, stop changing strategy every now and then, and finally stop comparing yourself to others. So guys, thank you very much for your attention. This is just what I said I should tell you, and if you take all this stuff, these 3 things into consideration, I believe your trading will change to the better. So guys, good luck, and good luck with your trade. See you next week for technical analysis. I think I will just do technical analysis next week. Any currency pair or so, I will do it next week.